Right, we're rock and rolling. Okay, promise we start doing some more of the training videos for the PCS Power Hub LK range, our range. So let me explain. We're actually in the production area, and it's better to show you this one because it's partly dismantled and explain what the various components are and what we can do. So of course here, this is a 215 kilowatt hour. We have 250 kilowatt hour units. They've got air blowers onto each of the batteries. We've got the HVAC unit sitting into the door, and you can see the airflow, how the airflow operates. It works a treat, absolutely no issues. But let's focus more on the unit itself. So on the bottom here, on the power hub, you've got 4 channels. They are your MPPT inputs. They've all got separate DC isolators for the solar isolators as per the standard requirements. On top of that, this is actually a generator. This is the override switch, which basically connects the load and the grid together. If you have an issue or you want a maintenance issue or you need to shut down, you can click the switch over and it gives you a complete override. It's a very, very nice feature. So on here, you've got 3 breakers. Now, the configuration on this is slightly different, so we're going to change the configuration. At the moment, you have grid input, you have load input, and this one is actually generator input, but this is direct connection. You have to physically switch, you have to override it. It's done by a breaker. What we're intending to do is connect this unit here to, on the top here, we're going to fit in an additional PCS. So the generator port connects directly to a secondary PCS that connects directly to the DC bus. Why would we do that? Simple. That means if that generator runs, and the generator is running at, say, 45 or 48 hertz, or the frequency is unstable, it will still charge the batteries. And amazingly, you can run the grid and the generator be at different frequencies at the same time. The rest of the thing, this is your MPPT module. We have space to add additional MPPT module if you want to. This has got 100 kilowatt. These are 50 kilowatt each, and this particular unit has 100 kilowatt MPPT, which is split into 4 channels. Here, which hasn't been installed yet, is actually the PCS, the Power Control System module, and that slots in here. And here is we got the STS. The whole thing is actually connected to a transformer. Come and have a look around the back. So here, you see here the guy's working on the transformer, and this is the transformer. It's transformer coupled. It's amazing, isn't it? This is a real beast. We have a transformer coupling for the AC. You can run off grid. It can run on grid. It can run a generator at the same time. Generator running at the same time as grid for a load shift. It has a lot of beauty features. You've got the HMI. Or you've got the EMS. This controls the local EMS. So this EMS controls the system EMS, and it allows the PCS, and it allows the MPPT, and it allows the STS to work as a hybrid inverter. We've got some videos showing how this thing operates. I'll show you as a separate video. So how it's actually functioning. And here you just local supply, local breakers. You've obviously got your fire detection system, your various sensing systems, lots of things going on here. So this one is actually an assembly, and I just thought it's nice to actually demonstrate and how the thing assembles rather than showing there's a finished product. So this is being assembled, it's being completed, but this is one nice piece of kit. It's absolutely unique, and nobody else actually has this feature. So I'm going to go show some separate videos on how or what the benefit, what PCS is, the power control system, what an MPPT is. I'm sure everyone knows what an MPPT is, and I'm sure a lot of people know what STS is. We call it seamless transfer switch or static transfer switch, whatever you want to call it. Some people have slightly different names, but it doesn't matter. I'm probably going to get loads of comments about that. But you know what? There are lots of these things hitting the market. There are 2 types. So this is an off-grid. This is a full hybrid system. This is giving you for full hybrid. And we did a demonstration, which I will add to this video, where we're talking about the EMS and we're showing the changeover, and it's almost zero changeover. Almost zero changeover. It does, and I've got a demonstration showing it actually operating in our Hong Kong office, and it shows the function. So there's a lot going on. This is a real product. You know, people worry about, say, oh, how am I going to use a PCS? How am I going to use the various components? Don't worry about it. They are a little bit complicated to use, and so we're building up standard units, standard pieces of kit. It's got the various communications, so you don't need to worry about all of that side of it. These are built-up units, and these are an amazing price, absolutely amazing. This piece of kit is better than anything else on the market. Anything else. Can your generator run the same time as a grid? Can you use any generator with it? You can't, because I've never seen one that does these features. This is, I'm sure in 6 months' time, after people see my video, lots of people think, oh, well, that's a good idea. Well, you know what, Sunsynk, we're trying to do it first. We're trying to produce the best product on the market. This is one hell of a piece of product. We're not going to give any sexy videos or whatever. This is hardcore, absolutely built for the rugged. This is hardcore product, built to last. So listen, thanks for following us, and more videos coming. Cheers.